You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. Today I'm going to share with you some serious laundry folding motivation. Yesterday I washed 5 loads of laundry, but I didn't have time to fold it at the end, so now I'm stuck with a big pile of laundry. Also, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Sara and I mostly make cleaning videos here on my channel. So if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.
We keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous. I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a I got this feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you. And there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do what we wanna do. 'Cause we got all the time in the world, for better or worse. We should stay together.